Today we're making some fried rice with chicken. Barbecue chicken actually, right?
Baked chicken, barbecue chicken,
yeah.
Whatever you want to call it.
Yep. So we're gonna saute our green seasoning. And Chef Vishal is on camera today.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Hi. Cool. The sun is out very hot today, so
I'll put in bora.
Bora, nice fresh green bora. You picked this from outside the backyard there?
Yeah, from the snow.
From the snow, okay. Bora sauteing in green seasoning. So here's the seasoning: red pepper, yellow pepper, scallions, some wiri pepper, onions. That's our chicken.
This is the chicken that we're using. We had some chicken from leftover chicken, as you can see there. So we're using that to put in there. And crushed pepper, black pepper, sesame oil, fried rice seasoning. You can use it, you don't have to. Soy sauce. Yeah, I don't know that one. Mushroom sauce. And we're making, as usual, we're making some tea. This is lime leaf tea we're gonna make today. And this is the lime. So let's just chicken up in here. I'm throwing this stuff in here.
Onion.
Pepper. I'll throw everything in here. I'll saute this for a minute or two. And we have some more mixed veggies. We got this from Costco, organic. We got some other mixed veggies here. Stir-fry ones from Costco, a big pack. So we're gonna use that here today too, in the fried rice.
Okay.
So we're gonna throw that in here.
Because we like a lot of veggies.
Yeah.
And of course, everybody's favorite is broccoli.
Yep. It smells really, really good in here.
It sure does.
Yep. As usual, I'll use some of this seasoning, fried rice seasoning. I like to use grind up in mine also to give it the fried rice a nice flavor.
I'm going to put this in here. Alright, the sun is glaring. It's
Yeah,
nice
it's
and
nice
hot out. Making some weekend fried rice.
And we're gonna put all
chicken.
chicken in here.
By the way, guys, he makes the best tasting fried rice. Only if you can taste it, right, babe? It tastes better than any fried rice you can get on Liberty Avenue. Facts. Any fried rice on Liberty Avenue, he makes the best.
Thanks, babe.
Liberty Avenue, New York. For those of you who are not familiar with Liberty Avenue.
You can eat this just like this here.
Yeah.
It would taste pretty good.
Start fried with white rice or brown rice.
Yep.
Some black pepper, and some black pepper.
Freshly ground black pepper.
Crushed pepper. Just smell the food too.
I'll throw in some of this
That's that
fried rice seasoning, not too much. And a little bit of this mushroom sauce here. Not too much too.
I like mushroom sauce.
Yeah. And we're gonna put our water in here, boiling water.
For the lime leaf tea.
For the lime leaf tea.
Guys, when last we had some lime leaf tea?
The lime leaf tea is really good for your immune system. Lots of health benefits.
Inflammatory, diabetes, well, the immune system in general, hair, nails, whatever.
Your skin.
So it's a lot more health benefits than neem leaf. Yeah. And you can sweeten this with honey.
Yeah.
Right, honey?
Yeah, babe.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got. I'm sorry. I was gonna say we got one guest waiting.
It smells good, huh?
Uh-huh.
So now I'll throw in some of my favorite sauce in here. Soy sauce. Not too much. You gotta know what kind of soy sauce you use. Some of that is really salty and have different flavor.
Okay.
So I just throw a little bit in there. Smells good, can smell it.
I can smell it from a distance. I could. It really does smell good. Don't forget my wee pepper for me now.
It have, I chopped up 3 of them. Plus
or
the
big
the
fat, the what?
grind seasoning have a bunch of them inside.
Okay.
And we can throw in another 3 or 4 more.
Okay. Yep. So here, fried rice in the making.
Yep.
Fried rice with chicken.
So guys, this is leftover chicken that we bake. and it's gonna season really nice in here. It's gonna taste really good. Although we already seasoned it and baked it. We baked and broiled it on both sides.
And we use some Famous Dave barbecue sauce
Yep.
on it.
So this is gonna give it some the fried rice some nice flavor in there. Yep. And our tea is boiling here. And the tea you can have with honey, or drink it just like that.
Alright guys, fried rice in the making. Here's our rice. It's basmati rice? Yeah. Okay.
It's a the long rice.
Oh, long rice.
Long grain rice, I think.
So there you go. Like I said guys, he makes the best fried rice. Go ahead and place your orders. Oh, I need some wee pepper. Oh, my eyes are big. There's all the hot sauce and. Yummy. Yummy in my tummy.
So I'll show a little bit of salt in here, not too much. And some of this sesame oil, not too much either.
Oops.
So guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos coming up. The links would be in the description. Cooking with Vish and Alini, Facebook page, Instagram, everything will be in the description. And thank you guys for watching.
And we truly appreciate all your support, your comments, your feedback. So thank you. Much appreciated.
And we're just doing this for fun too. We like cooking. Was cooking on Facebook not for 1 year, not for 2 years, but at least 10 years.
Okay.
You can check out Guyana Food and Recipe, the Facebook group.
So you've always been cooking.
Yeah, one of the largest food group in the Caribbean. Guyana Food and Recipe. So the link will be in the description. Check it out, guys.
Check it out, guys. There's some really cool recipes and dishes on that Guyana Food and Recipe, the group.
So this is the fried rice. It have everything in here. You can see the bowl. You have this delicious chicken, all the sweet peppers, hot peppers. Yes guys, the link would be in the description. And this have everything already. Tastes good. If you guys have a question, message me, put it in a comment, ask. There you go. Bam, there you go. So, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to Vish and Nalini Cooking.
Cooking with
Peace
Vish and
out.
Nalini. Adios.